Hey everyone, just a quick update. Attio now has a desktop app. This means you can access your workspace even faster and stay focused without having to keep it open in a browser tab. Super convenient if you use Attio every day like I do. To download the app, you can just type in attio.com/download. Download for Mac, in my case at least. And then downloads. I'm just going to drag it into my applications. I'll just replace it. Attio. There you go. Yep. And this is how it looks. So pretty much identical to the browser version, which is nice. And I'm just gonna go ahead, click Options, keep in dock. So that way it's always in my apps here. And then if you want it to always open at login, maybe you need a reminder to log in every day, you can just select Open at Login so that every time you log into your computer, Attio pops up. Give it a try and let me know what you think.